Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I actually apply my liquid lipstick in a simple and quick way. I actually get a lot of compliments and questions about how I apply my lipstick or liquid lipstick. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my tips on how I applied my liquid lipstick so that then it looked flawless and stay on whole day. If you wanted to find out what my tips are, please keep on watching. If I've got a really dry lips or chipping lips, I apply the Sportsgirl lip scrub in a coconut scented. So I do, this is how it looks like, and I just apply this all over my lips. Applying with circular motions just to get rid of any dead skin. You can use a micellar water with a cotton pad and really slow. So it's nice and smooth. I'm actually using the MAC lip conditioner. You can use any lip moisturizer, doesn't have to be MAC. And I'm just dabbing this all over my lips. After I prep my skin, I then put moisturizer on my lips, and I do scrub my lips if I need to, but otherwise I'll just go straight in putting a lip moisturizer. Just be doing my makeup, and then when it's all dried up, I can then apply my lipstick. Or otherwise, if you know, just wait for that to sink in your lips. And if you think that you need to apply the lipstick straight away, I just need to get rid of any excess lip conditioner on my lips before I apply any lipstick or any liquid lipstick on my lips. So to use a lip liner that actually very close shade to my liquid lipstick, and the lip liner Essence in Cute Pink. Liquid lipstick, I'm actually going to be using the Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte. Starting the middle first, then follow my Cupid's bow. Just relaxing my lips when I'm applying the lip liner. And I'm just filling in my lips. Liquid lipstick. Okay, I'm getting rid of any excess first. Then I'm just applying the same way I applied the lip liner. As you can see, I went over a little bit on that side there. I'm gonna show you guys how we can fix that. Because it's not a lot, I'm just gonna be using a cotton pad. There you have it, guys. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually helped you out today. Please comment down below what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click the notification bell, and please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.